Hey Hannah. So I logged in on my end into your OK College Start app. So I did update like your grades on here, but you are still going to need to scroll down after you click into it, and I'm going to need you to add personal values and priorities and your work-based learning experiences. I think that should be the only thing left to do here. Now, I can't click into that because I can't do that for you. Those are going to be things that you need to do. This is under quarter three. So as you get that done, if you could, you can add, let's see, you have a part-time job. That would be work-based learning. Um, and then you can add that to your work-based learning experiences because you work with your parents. So if you could update that for me, and then go back to your homepage. Should say on your homepage how much you have done. Hopefully that will get you to 13 out of 13 or at least 12 out of 13. Okay, well, I hope you have a good rest of your day, and please just text me whenever you get done.